is Hans. It's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, I've got something that I hope you've had before, but I'm going to do it a little bit different. Not like weird different, but in a way, I think you might go like, oh wow, cool. I hope. Indomie mie goreng from Indonesia. This is like classic stuff. This is like when I first started enjoying instant noodles, this. Yeah. I started with Nissan chicken ramen. Not top ramen, but Nissan chicken ramen. Actually, I started with something called roasted ramen, which was identical to the chicken ramen. But okay. Let's drop this and let this boil for 3 minutes. Now I'm going to do things a little different, so just follow me, because this is more of a thing to do for plating and looking nice. Because I'm going to try at least. I've never done this before, and it just kind of occurred to me this morning, hey, maybe this would be a good way to do it. So, I'll start by cutting all three apart. Yes, it's spilled over, so if you're playing the drinking game at home, folks, now you can enjoy your beverage. Alright, so I cut those three apart. Let's do our quote from Momo Fukuendo Speaks, the book with quotes from the guy who invented instant noodles. Let's see, rule number 63, or not rule, quote, forget about your knowledge and experiences and start from scratch. I want to say we did that one last time. Number 64, something is always born from the ruins of destruction. So some gets jacked up, you find something new. Works good, nice, yeah. Okay. What a weekend, a pretty good weekend for the most part. We do on Saturday we went to the park and took the kids to the park, and they had a good freaking time. They like absolutely freaked out at the park and ran around and lost their minds. That was nice. Gotta do that once in a while. And they were good. They wore their masks. I'm surprised. It's like you always see these kids running around wearing masks, and like adults just like having like the biggest problem with like wearing them correctly. I don't know why. We wore our masks. Adults behaving badly. It just seems to be the theme of 2020. Whatever. Oh, maybe I'll do that on another episode. We're already, what? Oh wow. Just the time. Time just is so fleeting these days. But yesterday we went to Costco. I'm getting new glasses. Finally. The main reason is because after losing all my weight, my glasses were really loose. They're not now. In fact, they're like digging into the back of my ears. So I go to Costco. The lady there, this is like a month or two ago. Lady there is like, I'm like, can you adjust these, please? I bought them here. Can you adjust them so they'll fit better? Oh, how old are they? No, you're going to have to get new glasses to do that. Okay. Crap. New glasses aren't cheap. So I'm like, okay, all right. So, time to get new glasses. So we go there and have to get an appointment to get a new prescription. Did that yesterday. So we're all done. Right? All done with all the stuff. Got the thing done. Got talked to by a eye human. And then had already picked the frames I wanted, all that junk. Went and checked out. Right about to leave, the guy's like, "Yeah, excuse me, but it certainly looks like those frames aren't fitting you correctly." I'm like, "Well, no, they're not. I was told that they're too old to fix." He's like, "Oh, we can heat them up. We can get them to work. Here, let me see them." I mean, I need new glasses. I know that. My wife's like, "You needed to get new glasses," but I'm like, glasses aren't cheap. Come on, you guys could have just fixed them. I see what this is. This is a profit thing, isn't it? You guys want to get paid. Yeah. It's all good. Ooh. So putting in the Indomie powder into the bowl with the drained noodles. It's pretty simple to make Indomie. If you're watching this because you've never made Indomie and you couldn't deal with the instructions on the package, that's just kind of rough. Maybe cooking isn't for you. It's really easy to make Indomie. Pretty easy to make most instant noodles. There's some that are a little tricky. Okay, so we got that. This is the fried onion garnish. This is the, yeah. So we're gonna add this one now. This is the seasoned oil. Drop this in the pot. There is that in the pot. Now, I'm gonna stir it up. Now notice there's 2 sachets left that I have not added in here. Actually, there's 3. There's the onion garnish too. But I'm gonna try something today to make just like a I'm only adding 2 external ingredients to this. But I think it's gonna be pretty neat. So here we have Indomie, just the powder, just the seasoned oil. Okay? Nothing else. I don't know if I've ever had it this way, so I'm gonna give it a taste. Okay. Basically, it's just salty. There's no sweet, kind of like oniony taste to it. It's good. But we're gonna make a batter. Okay. Here come the noodles. Now I'm gonna pull these noodles outward, so they kind of take up this whole area here. Okay. See? I want it just to be kind of like a perfect circle. And this kind of plate that has that kind of dip in it, best way to get that kind of thing happening. Now we've got a not so perfect fried egg, but it'll do in a pinch. There's our fried egg. Now what do we do? What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? So we got these 2 sachets left, right? So the plan is, without making a mess, which is really hard, we're going to take the spicy chili sauce and go like this. And then we've got this is black, sweet soy sauce. I'm going to try to do it with this too. So that's pretty much, except for one thing, everything that comes with your package of Indomie. There's our fried onion. And then we've got some coriander, just a little. Come on, let go, let go, let go. There you go. And there you go. So it's got a different kind of look to it now, because you've got everything over here, but you get to kind of move it around. I don't know, it just seemed like kind of something interesting to try out. So let me know what you think. If it makes you, if this floats your boat, that's cool. I'm glad it floats your boat. Anyways, Rotato will take it away now, and we'll let it do its wonderful magic for you. Yeah, I know. That egg could have come out a little nicer and stuff, but I wasn't gonna just make another egg, so there you go. Yeah, if you got any ideas on what to do with Indomie, shoot them over. Maybe I'll give them a try and mention you on the show. Why not, right? Alright, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.